we discussed about the basic aspects of mass spectrometry. Now let us discuss about the different types of ions formed in mass spectrometry after fragmentation. The first one is molecular ion or parent ion, and next one fragment ions, third rearrangement ions, fourth multi-charge ions, negative ions and metastable ions. Here we discuss the molecular ion, rearrangement ions and metastable ions in detail. First, we discuss about the molecular ion or parent ion. When a molecule is bombarded with electrons in high vacuum in a mass spectrometer, it is converted into positive ions by loss of an electron. These ions are called molecular or parent ion, and this reaction can be represented like this, and the molecular ion is represented like this. And which electron will be kicked off from this molecule to give the molecular ion? The highest occupied orbital of aromatic system and non-bonding electron orbitals on oxygen and nitrogen atoms readily lose one electron. An electron from double bond or triple bond is usually lost. Okay, so the high energy electron will be kicked off during this process. In alkanes, the ionization of carbon-carbon sigma bonds is easier than that of CH bonds. And the significance of the parent ion peak or molecular ion peak is that the corresponding mass gives the molecular mass of the sample itself. That's the significance of molecular ion peak. Okay, so the molecular ion peaks gives the molecular mass of the compound under consideration. And coming to the stability of the molecular ion peak, the parent ion stability or molecular ion stability decides the relative abundance of this ion. If this molecular ion is highly stable, the relative abundance of the corresponding ion will be higher, then the corresponding peak will be highly intense. Okay, the peak intensity of the molecular ion differ from one compound to another. In some compound, the molecular ion peak will be more stable, then corresponding the molecular ion will be stable, then corresponding peak will be highly intense. In some other cases, the molecular ion will be less stable, then the corresponding peak will be less intense. Sometimes the parent ion peak will not be observed in mass spectrum. That means the parent ion is highly unstable and it is decomposed very fast. Corresponding peak can't be detected in the mass spectrum. Also, the rate of decomposition of parent ion increases with molecular size in the homologous series. These are some characteristics of the important features of molecular ion and molecular ion peak. The molecular ion peak in aromatic compound is relatively much intense due to the presence of pi electron system. That means the corresponding molecular ion will be more stable due to the pi electron system. Okay, so the molecular ion formed from aromatic system will be much stable due to the presence of pi electron system. So the corresponding peak is relatively much intense. Then conjugated olefins show more intense molecular ion peak as compared to the corresponding non-conjugated olefins with the same number of unsaturation. That means the conjugated olefins are more stable than the corresponding non-conjugated olefins. Okay, so conjugated olefins give much intense molecular ion peak as compared to non-conjugated olefins. Then unsaturated compounds give more intense peak as compared to the saturated or cycle molecule. The relative abundance of the saturated hydrocarbon is more than the corresponding branched chain compound with the same number of carbon atoms. An example is normal pentane and neopentane. The molecular ion peak of normal pentane is more intense than that of neopentane. So, as the branching increases, the chance for observing the molecular ion peak decreases. Okay, the branching there is fragmentation in the branching. the branches will be easily fragmented or cut off from the molecular ion system. Then the substituent groups like OH, OR, NH2, etc., which lower the ionization potential, increase the relative abundance in case of aromatic compounds. Also, the groups like NO2, CN, etc., which increase the ionization potential, decrease the relative abundance of the aromatic compounds. The absence of molecular ion peak in the mass spectrum means that the compound under examination is highly branched or tertiary alcohols. What does it mean? For branched compounds and tertiary alcohols, the detection of molecular ion peak is very difficult. Primary or secondary alcohols give very small molecular ion peak. In case of chloro and bromo compounds, isotope peaks are also formed along with the molecular ion peak. This is very important point, the isotope peaks. So, chloro and bromo compounds, there is a chance for observing isotope peaks. Then this will be discussed later in detail. And already we have said the significance of molecular ion peak. The molecular ion peak gives the molecular weight of the compound. Thus, it is m by z of molecular ion is equal to molecular weight of the compound. Second type of ions formed during fragmentation is the fragment ions or daughter ions. When the energy is given to molecular ion during electron impact, further cleavage takes place and ions of lower mass number are produced, and they are called fragment ions or daughter ions. Okay, so if the molecular ion is in high energy state, then further fragmentation takes place and lower mass number are produced. Then third one, rearrangement ions. Rearrangement ions are the fragments whose origin cannot be described by simple cleavage of bonds in the parent ion, but are result of intramolecular atomic rearrangement during fragmentation. Rearrangement, you know, in organic chemistry you have studied about rearrangement reactions. In the same way, the ion form can be rearranged within the molecule, and corresponding ion peak will be detected in the mass spectrum, and such ions are called rearrangement ions, and the formation of the rearrangement ions can't be described by simple cleavage of bonds in the parent ion or any daughter ions. Then the fourth category of ions are multi-charge ions. Sometimes ions may also exist with two or three charges instead of usual single charge in the mass spectrum. These are known as doubly or triply charged ions and can be represented like this. But under normal operating conditions, most of the ions produced are single charge. The doubly or triply charged ions are recorded at a half or one-third of the MBE value of the single charge ions. And we know in the mass spectrum, it is a record of the relative abundance versus mass to charge ratio. And if the charge is 2 or 3, then the peak will be appear at half or one-third of the actual mass of the ion. The formation of these multiple charge ions is more common in heteroatomic compounds. They are also common in inorganic mass spectrum. And fifth category of ions are negative ions. The positive ions predominate in electronic impact ionization because of greater stability. The negative ions are not very useful in structure determinations, and there is chance for negative ion formation. The formation of negative ions is very rare but can be produced like this.